going on, everybody? I haven't made a video in a while. I actually had made two videos prior to this, but I never uploaded them because, for whatever reason. I'm just going to talk about Bitcoin quickly and what I see that's going on. I'm looking at this on the daily, Finex, and I'm just comparing volume levels. And as you can see, over here we have a good amount of volume being traded in and out. But below here, basically below this 6,000 point that we hit back in the beginning of February, there's just a lot of like gaps, you know what I mean? And I'm pretty confident that these things will need to be traded out and create some better structural support for Bitcoin. And I think that when we do get these levels, there's going to be a lot of buying coming in at these levels here. You know what I mean? Because the real traders trade with volume, and there is just a lot of inconsistencies. It's not structural strength in the Bitcoin chart. And right now, it's just at this point right now where if it really can't hold this level and it starts to fall, it could really domino itself down, and it could get pretty bad. So, bulls are holding these positions and trying to push it forward. So that's pretty much what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing a possible move up to maybe maximum I could see is maybe an $80 to $100 move, but I was more thinking something like 72 and then move down, or even possibly 76, 77 area. They're trying to keep it going. There was this that segment line I keep talking to you guys about. Where is it? Yeah. So we dipped below it, and now we are above it. And this line is significant because if you had drawn this line, there's kind of this channel. I'm gonna draw it a little bit. It's actually, sorry, I'm gonna use the extended here. It was about like these 2 points, and it kind of gives you this channel that Bitcoin formed. And for this line was really well respected on these moves up, and then finally we broke above it. We broke through it. We broke above it, and now we're at the bottom of this channel. And this bottom of this channel has held us back here for SegWit, and has held us back here for the bottom of the China foot, more or less. And like a big break down here would pretty much ensure further downward movement to even 3,000 and 1,200. This is crazy to think it could go this low. However, when you zoom out, you do see some structural weakness around this area. And that's pretty much the Bitcoin analysis going forward. It's really choppy. It's really slow. And if you look at this move out here, thinking 76, 77 area max, or just straight up 72.4 further downward. Oh shit. If you guys don't have this on your chart, I'm also drawing out a wedge. Second wedge. And you can take this and draw it here too. If you want, but I just give it to me. Um, yeah, if we do break out of here and we come down, look for a test of 6,900 to hold before a continuation up. I don't know what you guys are doing if you're swinging or trading or whatnot, but my position is I'm just playing swings with cash and waiting for a lower position here. Entry rate. I think I had this a bit better on the other chart. I don't want to keep redrawing it, fucking it up, but yeah. Uh, I'm looking at here is the next entry to hold. This area we had a lot of activity, a lot of clustering, and I'm going to see how it plays here. What I think is playing out right now is that like people that are bullish have positions and they have stops below here, they have a stop below here, and I just think at some point we will trigger all these stops and maybe we'll these bounces that I'm telling you 7,600, 8,200 might come a bit lower and to confuse the market. So we'll see. However, if you look at the shorts and longs, longs went up a bit, but yesterday's shorts hit an all-time high. They still did. So see whatever that means. And just to keep up with the regular markets and how they've been affected, Dow Jones affected big time this week. And what I'm noticing was that as soon as the markets closed for the day, Bitcoin got its pump. While these markets were live, Bitcoin didn't really pump. As soon as these other markets, the regular stock markets, closed for the day, then Bitcoin had that pump. So keep an eye for maybe a choppy weekend and then a Monday of further downwards motion or upwards motion, depending on what these do. But you should definitely keep your eye on both. There's some kind of correlation going down with a weak Dow Jones, weak S&P 500, and Bitcoin. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Hope you guys have a good weekend. I am gonna go out for the night, watch UFC at my friend's house, and you guys updated if anything changes. Peace out.